Hello, so you are welcome back to this new trading strategy that I'm going to show you. Okay, so it's a simple trading strategy in with combination of three indicators that you can use to maximize your profit in the long run. Okay, remember this profit work 90% and above in the long run. Okay, meaning you have to practice it on a demo account, and if it work for you, you can start trading on the live market. So without wasting time, we'll be making use of three indicators, and this strategy is called a Bollinger Band trading strategy. So it's a combination of Bollinger Band, moving average, and then relative strength index indicator to identify a powerful signal to trade. So quickly, this is our RSI indicator right here, set here. So I'll show you the settings of the RSI indicator and explain what the RSI will be doing, and then I'll explain the Bollinger Band, what it will be doing, and the moving average. Okay, and we combine all in order to find a signal to trade. So this is a good chart on 1 hour time frame, but this work best on the 15-minute time frame. So let's go to 15-minute time frame. So let's click on the F icon here. So we go to relative strength index. So you can see the settings. Period is set to 8, apply to close, level is 80-20, and then time frame is all time frame. So you click on done. So that is a setting. You can set the color to blue. So quickly, whenever price on the relative strength index is on the 80% line, we'll be looking for selling opportunity. Anytime it's on the 20%, we'll be looking for a buying opportunity. So that is the purpose of the RSI indicator. So let's add now the moving average. Okay, so we click on the F icon again, then we click on main window, and then we click on moving average. Then we set the period to 200. Shift is 0. Method is simple, and then apply to close, the default setting. Then we go with it. So is it the red line here? So anytime price is above the moving average on the main window, we'll be looking for buying opportunity. Anytime price is below the moving average, we'll be looking for selling opportunity. So that is the purpose of the moving average as well. So let's now add the Bollinger Band. So let's click on the F icon, we click on main window again, then we look for Bollinger Bands. Okay, here is it. So your default will be 20. Okay, but I change it to 21. Okay, I have used it for several times, so the setting is still here. And shift should be 0, deviation should be 2.000. Apply to high. Your own will be closed by click on high. Click on it and select high. So when it applies to high, then you have to do what? Click on done. So you can see it on the chart. So right now, this is what we are going to do. So let's look for a buying opportunity. Okay, let's look for a buying opportunity, a correct buying opportunity. Okay, I want to look for a buying opportunity. Okay, look for a buying opportunity. It always gives signals scarce, but anytime it gives signals, it's always correct. Okay, good. So when you see here is on the 80%, but on the moving average, what do we see? Is it above? No, it's above it. It's not below, unless it's below before we can trade. So let's go in. Let's go in to check. Good. So you can see this particular one right here. This one here, you can see it's around the 80%. Okay, so when you trace it on the moving average, this is the red line, moving average, the price is below it, so we are looking for a selling opportunity. So here is the case. So anytime you see this confluence, the moving average and relative strength index, and the price is on the upper band of the Bollinger Band, then you have to click on your sell button. You see the point here, and then set your TP just below the first bearish candle that form. So just below it here, and then your first take profit should be when price touches the second band, and when price touches the third band, you have to exit the trade. Okay, so that is the first example. Let's look for another example. Okay, so this is okay, it's above it. Let's look for another example. So good, you can see another example. You see, you have to be clear enough to see this. Okay, good. This is another example. Okay, this is another example from here. You can see price touches the 80%, and when you trace it, here is it, and then price is below the moving average, and then anytime it touches the upper band right here and the first bearish candle that form, you place the trade. Okay, and remember to be giving a buffer of your trade, so your SL will be around here. When it touches the second band, you take profit 1. It touches the third band, you exit the trade. That is it. So you can see this one also play out, but remember, no strategy is 100%. So let's look for another opportunity. This mostly work when price is trending. Okay, good. Let's look for another last opportunity. Good. When you look at this particular one right here, you see price is around here. It's around the 80% line, and then price is below moving average. It touches the third band, you enter the trade. First take profit here, last take profit here. So this is how it works. Okay, I also used to try it on the 1 hour time frame too, so you can check on the 1 hour time frame too. It gives a good signal. Okay guys, try it on a demo account and see if it worked for you. If it worked for you, comment below.